Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tyler. I'm a genius here at BMW Ridgefield, and today I wanted to give you an overview of our brand new 2019 Z4. Different from its predecessor, this one changed body styles from 2016. We have a new inline 4 engine. This one here in particular is the S-Drive, rear-wheel drive 30i. It gives you a 4-cylinder twin power turbo. Soft top goes down in exactly 10 seconds. Another fun fact too is you can actually do this at 31 miles per hour. So while you're cruising down the road, you can put it down instead of waiting at a red light. Style and performance has been enhanced. Dual tailpipe exhaust. This one here is black sapphire over cognac. Standard navigation, iDrive 7.0. So over here we have the new adaptive LED headlights, as well as the new style kidney grills that you'll also see on the M340, which is actually standard on the Z4. Now that you've seen the new Z4 and all its appearances, let's go for a drive. So right now we're starting in comfort mode. This is a nice subtle Sunday drive, but I'm more of the sports car type person, so I like to go into sport. Now the car is Sport and Sport Plus. Standard Sport is just going to update the engine, higher revs, faster shift points, things of that matter. The Sport Plus is going to kick it in just a little bit more, jumps the revs up. Whereas the last couple of models, all Sport Plus did was switch over to traction control and your dynamic traction control. This actually gives you that extra, more M-type Sport Plus. The interior appearance of this car is great too. Everything just comes around you, it hugs you like that awesome roadster feel. They give you a nice wireless charging tray right there, you can toss your phone in. Everything is very sleek design. So even though it's a 4-cylinder, it's got a lot of power to it. You really feel that 295 foot-pounds of torque. It also has the exhaust burbles that all you M enthusiasts love. Plus, with the top down, the windows up, this car is an awesome summer drive. So BMW tells me that I can put the top up at speeds of 31 miles an hour maximum. I'm going to go 29. 30 miles an hour. BMW first. So, I just had a blast. You gotta come in and drive this car. It's way better than the last predecessor model of 2016. You can find us right in Ridgefield, right on Route 7, 746 Danbury Road. We'll see you soon.